President Benigno Aquino III challenges the League of Municipalities of the Philippines to improve their performance. Joyce Balancho will tell us why.
Mr. President, to please certify as urgent the bigger pie, bigger slice bill now pending in both houses of Congress.
The League of Municipalities of the Philippines, or LMP, asks President Benigno Aquino III to certify as urgent the SB 2045 or Bigger Pie, Bigger Slice bill by Senator Coco Pimentel. The bill seeks to increase the LGU's allotment from the national tax to 50% from 40%. This is to intensify the public service of LGUs like in infrastructure, agriculture, tourism, and others. The President, however, said that there are problems that have to be prioritized as of now by the government, like the salary and pension of uniform personnel.
Yung sa ating pong uniformadong hanay, malaki ho ang ginugugol natin sa kanilang, lalo sa retirement at sa pension. Mga siguro 2 years ago, lampas 50 billion pesos na po. Next year, tinataya po nasa 80 plus billion pesos ang pambayad nun.
The President said, even without the bill, the government has already increased the LGU's Internal Revenue Allotment, or IRA, aside from the Performance Challenge Fund and bottom-up budgeting. Based on the President's data, LGU's IRA share is estimated to have increased up to 389.86 billion pesos in 2015 as compared to 265.8 billion pesos last 2010. The Chief Executive posed a challenge to the LGU that the government is ready to award additional funds to municipalities that will deliver exemplary performance.
Sa mga nagpapakitang gilas nga ho, hindi mahirap dagdagan ang inyong pondo. Sa mga marami naman po problema idudulot sa atin, medyo nag-iingat tayong dagdagan ang pondo.
Joyce Balancho reporting for Y News.